Here the students, the next concepts in that chapter, the factorization. The factorization using identities. Okay, we know that what are the identities? Here the identities are here algebraic expression. In that algebraic expression, then 4 identities: a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus or a square plus 2ab plus b square. The next one, second identity is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third identity is a minus b, sorry, a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, and these are the identities. Then how to solve the trinomials? Okay, these are the trinomials. Here 1, 2, 3. The 3 terms means trinomials. Then how to solve the trinomials by using, or how to factorize the trinomials by using identities. By using identities, we know that three identities. Okay. Here the 3 identities. First one, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And second identity is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third identity is a square minus b square. Then the a plus b and the multiples of a minus b, a plus b and a minus b. Okay. Here 9x square plus 12x plus 9x square, 3 2s are 6, 3 and 6. Okay, here 9x square plus 12x, 9x square plus 12x plus 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 4. Take a 4. 9x square plus 12x plus 4. And this is a trinomial. Okay. Here this is trinomial. Then solve this expression, this trinomial, or factorize this expression by using identities. Then first term, here the total number of terms 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Total number of terms 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. The 3 terms means here. Then apply the a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. And this is iveeradu enaagtavo, iveeradu apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳು? And this expression is a trinomial. Here, then this also the identity also trinomial. Okay, look, 1, 2, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay. Here ಇವೆರಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ಆಗಬಹುದು. Next, here the first and third term. Here the first term and second term and the third term. Here the first and third. Here the first and third are perfect squares. Perfect squares. Here the first term a square. Here the third term is b square. Okay. Here next term. Then the two squares. Here first. Here. Then the middle term. The second term. The second term of this expression. The second term of this expression is the sign of the expression. The sign of the middle term is positive. The sign of the middle term is positive. It means the side of the middle term is positive, means then how the identity use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? First identity. Then the sign of the middle term is positive. Here the sign of the middle term. Here the sign of the middle term is negative. First now, then this is a trinomial expression. Trinomial expression ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡರಾಗೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay. Here a plus b and a minus b. And this is binomial and binomial. Multiplication of binomial and binomial. And this expression is trinomial. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, the sign of the middle term. Sign of the middle term. Here the sign of the middle term is positive. Here the sign of the middle term is negative. Here then our expression, the sign of the middle term of our expression is positive. Okay, ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ sign of the middle term. This is a first term. This is a second term. This is third term. Here the sign of the middle term is positive. Here the sign of the middle term is positive. ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Then third step is the first term and the third term are the first term and the third terms are perfect squares. Here ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ perfect square ಐತಿ. First term ಮತ್ತು last term, the first term and the third terms are perfect squares. Perfect square ಇದ್ರಷ್ಟ ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ perfect squares. Yes, the first term and third terms are perfect squares. Here then 9x square. Here the first term 9x square. 9x square, it can be written as 3x whole square. 3x whole square ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Perfect square ಆಯ್ತು. Here the 9 is a perfect square. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of x square is x. It means 3 square is, the 3 square means 3 into 3 is 9. X square means x square. X into x. Then 9x square is a perfect square. Okay. Then the third term. Third term is 4. The 4 also perfect square. Perfect square adu. Nodi. 2 square. 2 square is a 4. 2 square is 4. It means when this the first and the third terms are the perfect square. Now apply the first identity. Then take a third one. Here the 2 square. Okay. Next a square. Then this is 3x, means the 3x is a square and this is b square. B square. Okay. The next, then the middle term. The second term is 12x. 12x. Then 12x. Then here the middle term is 2. 2ab. Okay. 2 as it is. Write 2. Next, so what is a? A is 3. A is 3. 3x. And what is b? B is 2. B is 2. Means 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12x aita. Okay. And this is 2ab. 2ab. Here 2. This is a into b. Into b. Okay. Then 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Here first term the 9x square, 3x square, a square. Then the third term is 4. Then these two are, then the first term and third term are the perfect square, means then apply the first identity or second identity. Because here the first and third terms are perfect squares. Here the first and third terms are perfect squares. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ನೀ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ 2 into 3 into 2. ಓಕೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ a is equal to 3x and b is equal to, what is b? 2. B is 2. Okay. Then this is in the form of ax square, a square plus 2ab plus p square. Then this expressed in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and it can be written as a plus b whole square. Sorry, a plus b whole square here. 9x square plus 12x plus 4 equal to, and what is a? A is a 3x plus what is b? This is the answer, 3x plus 2 whole square. Okay, and this is the factorization by using a identity. And the what identity? The first identity. The first identity, second identity, hang identify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here the sign of the middle term is positive than the first identity. The sign of the middle term is a negative than the second identity. Okay, take an example. Okay, this is answer. See, 3x plus 2 whole square. Direct ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 9x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. 9x square, the square root of 9x square is 3x square. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of x square is x. Here the last term also perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2. Here the a and the b. A plus b whole square. Simple. Okay. Take one more example. Okay, we'll take one more example. M square plus m square plus 9 is 3, 3 2s are 6. 6m. 6m. Okay, here the square root of 3 into 2 is 6, 6 1s are 6. Okay, m square plus 6m plus 9. Okay, here then ಯಾವ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿನ here the first ಏನು ನೋಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ, the first and the last term. The first, then how many terms? The 3 terms. 3 terms means ಇವು ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ನೋಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ, the sign of the middle term. The sign of the middle term. Here the sign of the middle term is positive, means the first identity. Next, third step is the first and third terms are the first and third terms are perfect squares. Yes, the first and third terms are perfect square. Here m square, the square root of m square, m square here m, and the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, the first step terms ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 3 terms ಅದಾವ. 3 terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, sign of the middle term. Sign of the middle term is positive. It means the first identity. Here the first and third terms are perfect squares. Okay, the first identity. Here the a square plus 2ab plus. Here the first term is m square. Okay, first term m square. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ. ನೋಡಲಿ here ಇದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a is equal to m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then b is equal to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. The a means the square root of the first term. The b is the square root of the third term. The square root of the third. The square root of 9, 3. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of m square is m. Okay, right. Here the first term is m square. The square root of m square is m. The m is a. The first term is a and the last term is b. The middle term is 2 into a into b. Okay. Then the third term, 9, the square root of 9, square root of 9 is a perfect square. The square root of 9, the square root of 9 is 3, 3 is B. 3 is B. In the set, this means A square plus 2AB plus B square. The B square, it means the third term is 9, B is square, B, the square root of the total is, then this is B square, and this is A square, and this is 2AB. 2AB, okay. The square root of 9, the square root of 9 is 3, it means B is 3, okay. Here this is in the form of m square plus the third term. Here the second term ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Second term is a 6m. The 6m split into 6m. Okay. Here the 6m is 2ab. First 2, a is m and b is 3. Here 3 2s are 6, 6m aita. Okay, this is a second term. Then directly write m square plus 6m plus 9, and this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab here. Then this is, it means a plus b whole square. And this is a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. What is a? A is m. What is b? B is 3m square. Okay, then check ಮಾಡಿ correct ಆಯ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. This is m plus 3 square. M plus 3 whole square. M plus 3 whole square. Now it can be written as m plus 3, m plus 3, and this is answer. Answer is m plus 3 whole square. You direct ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡು, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ is m square is m. The square root of the third term is 9 square. The square root of 9 is 3. m plus 3 whole square. Direct ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Then check it. ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Here the first term m of m plus 3, next plus 3 m plus 3. This is the multiplication of binomial by binomial. Here m into m square, m into 3, 3m plus of 3 into m is 3m, 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Here m square plus 6m, 3m plus 3m, 6m plus 9. Correct ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ take one more example. Here third one, 4x square plus 4x square plus the 16. 4a is 2x, 4x into 4 is a 16. Here the 2x and a 4, 2x into 4, right? 2x plus 2x into 4, 8x into 2, 16x. Okay, take this one minus. Okay, the first step is trinomial, the number of terms 1, 2, 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, the second step is the sign of the middle term. Here the sign of the middle term is negative. Here the sign of the middle term, the negative means second identity. The first identity ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ sign of the middle term is positive. Here the sign of the middle term is negative means second identity. Okay, next third step is first and third terms are perfect squares. First and third terms are perfect square. Here 4, the square root of 4 is 2. Here the square root of x square is x. The square root of 16. Perfect square is 16. 16 is a perfect square. 4 4s are 16. It means the square root of the 16 is 4. That means these two are perfect square. The sign of the middle term is negative. Now apply the second identity. Here the second identity. Here the first term. Direct ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಬರೀತೀರಾ 2 square 2x minus the square root of 16 is 2x minus 4 square. Simple. Here a minus p whole square. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಂದು? ಇದೆ a ನಿಂದು. a square ಐತಿ ಈಗ. a square minus 2ab plus p square ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4x square ಅಂತಂದ್ರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ನಿಂದು? 4x. 4x ಅಂದ್ರೆ square root of the square of a square. The square of 4 is 2 and the square of x, the square root of x is x means 2x. a is 2x. a is 2x. The sign of the middle term is negative means here the a minus b whole square. b is the square root of last term. The square root of the third term, the square root of the 16 is 4. a minus b whole square. Simple. This is the answer. Okay. Check it. The first term. First term 4x square. The square root of 4x square is 2x. 2x is 2x square. Here the 2x square, the a is equal to 2x. a is equal to 2x. It means a square. Here a square. It means a is 2x. Okay. Next, the third term. Third term 16. The b square. The third term 16 means 4 square. 4 square means b square. Here the b is 4. b is 4. Okay. Then the second term 16x. 16x. We split it 16. Here our identity. Here what is middle term? 2ab. 2 into a into b. Here 2 into a is 2x into b is 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16x. This is third term. Here this is in the form of, it means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here the identity is 4x square minus 16x plus 16. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? a minus b whole square. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? What is a? a is 2x minus 4 square. 2x minus 4. This is answer. Okay. The next, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? Repeat answer. Here 2x minus 4 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x minus 4 2x minus 4 2x minus 4 2x minus 4. Here a square, first identity, a raised to m into a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. Okay, the sign here, the exponent, the power of the binomial is 1, the power of the binomial is 1. Okay, here multiply the first binomial and second binomial. 2x of minus 4. Here the minus 4. 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. First term, then second binomial, then second term, and the first term of the first binomial into second binomial, second term of the first binomial into second binomial. 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. 2 2s are 4 and x into x, x square. So what are the terms here? 2x minus 4 and 2x minus 4. These are the terms. These are the factors of this expression here. Next, plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8x. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8x. Minus into minus, plus 4 4s are 16. It means 4x square. Here, the sum of negative integer, minus 8 minus 8, minus 16. Minus 16. We know. Need sum madati. X into x alla. Minus x minus x. Minus x minus x. Minus 8x minus 8x. Like terms illidu. Like terms idag ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ. x ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ x 2x ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 16. That means answer correct. It means 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4 is the answer. First ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. Okay, and this is a second identity. The factorizing using second identity. Okay, next the third identity. First step is the number of terms. Number of terms 3 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್. Number of terms 3 trinomials. Next second step the sign of the middle term. Sign of the middle term is positive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sign of the middle term is negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ second identity. Next, first and third terms are perfect square. Are the first and third terms are perfect squares? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, a plus b whole square. First and second, third terms are perfect squares. Okay, these are the steps. Next, fourth one, here 36a square minus 49 minus 49. Okay, and this is binomial expression. The first term and the one term and the second term, the binomial expression. Okay, in the first number of terms only 2, one term and the second term. Number of terms in 2 means the third identity. Here the number of terms 1 and 2, third identity. The next, the terms are the perfect squares. First and the second terms are the perfect squares. Yes, here the 36, the square root of 36. Nevagu mind olitu square, perfect square ittu antandra, square number ittu andra the square root tegibeku. Here the 36 is the first term 36a square is the perfect square. 36 is the square root of 36, 6. The square root of a square, a. The square root of a square is a. The next, the second term 49. The square root of the 49 is 7. The square root of 49 is 7. It means this is a and this is b. A is a 6a and b is 7. What is identity? Here a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Third identity. First step is number of terms. Number of terms ನೋಡಬೇಕು. 3 terms ಇದ್ರೆ ಇವೆ ಎರಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. Then middle sign of the middle term positive ಅಂದ್ರೆ e identity. Then sign of the middle term is negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ e identity. The number of terms 2 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ e identity use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, here a square minus b square. Here this is in the form of 36 square, 36a square minus 49. And write this expression here. A, what is a? 6a plus what is b? 7. Next, what is a? 6a. Sign is negative minus 7. Simple. Idu multiply madre idu barbeku nanaga. Then these are the factors. These are the factors. 6a plus 7, 6a minus 7. Multiply madre nodam. 6a plus 7, 6a minus 7. Okay, the multiply madre answer barbeku ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Here 6a first term and the whole bracket a minus 7. The second term is plus 7 into 6a minus 7. Okay, here 6 into 6, 36, a into a square. The sign is a multiplication. Then plus into minus, minus. Sign important, plus into minus, minus. 6 sevens are 42, a. Next, plus into plus, plus. 7 6 are 42, a. Plus into minus, minus. 7 sevens are 49, 49. Here the negative 42a and the positive 42a get cancelled. Remaining are 36a square minus 49. It means these factors are these are the factors of 36a square minus 49. Okay. Take one more example. Here. 16x square minus 9. 16x square minus 9. Here the square is 4x minus 3. 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. 4x plus 3 and 4. And this is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a square minus b square. Here 4, the square root of 4. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of x is x square. Okay. Minus the square root of 9 is 3. It can be written as a 3 square. 4x square minus 3x square means a square minus b square. It means a equal to 4x and b equal to 3. A equal to 4x and b equal to 3. Then a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. Okay, here. Then this is a 16. Here 4x of square minus 3 square. It means here a is a 4x. Substitute the values. A is 4x, 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. And these are the factors of this expression, the factorization using the third identity. Okay. We'll take some more examples based on these three identities. Here the first one. X square plus 4x plus 4. X square plus 4x plus 4. Here these are the trinomial. Then this is a trinomial expression. The number of terms are 3. Then the middle term is, the sign of the middle term is positive. It means first identity. Then the square of the first and the square root of first and third term. Here the square root of first term is x and the square root of plus of the square root of the third term is 2 square. Okay. Next, take second. 9x square. 9 is 9m square plus 9. 3 into 3 into 3 and 9 into 2, 18 young. Okay. Here first step is number of terms. Number of terms is 1, 2, 3. Trinomial. The second step is sign of the middle term. The sign of the middle term is positive. It means the first identity. The next, the square. Then the first and the third terms are the perfect square. Yes. Here the 9m square is nothing but 3m. 3 square. 3 square is a 9. M square. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of m square is m. directly first for plus 9. The square root of 9 is 3 square. Here this is a square and a b square. Okay, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. 3 square. 3 square is 9. M square. M square is m square plus 2ab. 2 into 3m. 6m. 6m into 3. 18m. 18m plus b square. B square is a b. The square root of 9 is 3. 3m plus 3 whole square. Okay. Take here x square minus 8x plus 16. Okay. The first, the number of terms 1, 2, 3. The number of terms is 3. Then the sign of the middle term is negative. The sign of the middle term is negative means second identity. Here. Then the first and last term, the first and third terms are the first and third terms are the perfect squares. Yes, the square root, it means x square minus this one is 4 square. 4 square. Here 2, the formula 2 into a is x into b is 4. B is 4. It means x square plus here a square minus 2ab plus b square plus b square. Here a is equal to here a is equal to x and b is equal to 4. A is equal to x and b is equal to 4. Then next formula is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A is x and b is 4. B is 4. X minus 4 square. Directly nodal. The square root of x is x. The square root of 4 is 16. The sign of the middle term is negative. The sign of the middle term is negative. X minus 4 square. Okay. X square minus 2 into x into 4 is 8x and 4 square is 16. Okay. Next take more example. Here m square minus 121. M square minus 121. Then write this one is here m square minus m square. Square root of m is m and the square root of 121 is 11 square. Square root of 121 is 11 square. Then this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. Here the square root of m is m square minus 120. Square root of 121 is 11. 11 square is 121. Here a square minus b square. Here a is equal to m and b is equal to m. Here write a is equal to m and b is equal to 11. Substitute the values. A is m plus 11, b is 11 and a is m minus 11. Then these are the factors. The factorizing by using identities 1, 2 and 3. Okay.